Hi there, this is Love Johar. Thank you so much for tuning into this video and thank you so much for watching this channel. In this video, we will understand all the different clauses of ISO 27001. A quick video for all of you out there who wanted to understand what are the different clauses of ISO 27001. In nutshell, we will discuss quickly all the different clauses and what is the requirement of each and every clause. Very important from a interview perspective, very important from a implementation perspective as well, and from auditing of ISO 27001 as well. Okay, so please watch carefully till the end, and I'm absolutely sure that this video will add value to what you already know. And also, if you are a beginner in the ISO 27001 domain, it will definitely help you. Okay. So let us understand what are the different clauses, and these are important mandatory clauses of ISO 27001. If you want to be compliant with ISO 27001, you have to make sure that you understand and apply all the clauses in your standard. Okay, otherwise you will not get the certification of compliance. So clause 4 states that context of the organization. Here you need to understand the organization, the business, what is the context of the business, understanding the needs and expectation of interested parties of the business. What are the interested parties, what are the internal parties, what are the external parties, what is their interest. You have to understand that. Then you have to determine the scope of ISMS. For example, if there is one organization which has different offices in different territories of the globe, one office in Australia, one office in America, one office in England, one office in India. So here in this case, what will be the scope of your ISMS implementation? You have to understand this in the determining the scope of ISMS. Maintaining and improving the ISMS again is very important, which is part of the clause 4. Clause 5 talks about leadership. Okay, leadership commitment is very important because ISMS, if it can only work if it comes from a top down approach. Okay, it can never be a bottom up approach for SMS implementation. Board of directors have to be involved, senior management has to be involved. So that's why leadership commitment is very important. You have to make sure that you have buy-in from your senior management and you define relevant policies and procedures as per the business interest, because leadership can only tell you what is the business end goal, what is the business end objectives, and accordingly you develop the information security policy for the business. Okay, then you also identify what is the organization roles and responsibilities. Here there will be a RACI matrix which can help you in order to understand what are the current roles and responsibilities for individuals in the organization. All these clauses I have already described in different videos on my channel. Any doubt on any of the clause, you can simply search on my channel. You can get the relevant video. Okay, if you are not able to get, just add in the comment section, I'll help you out. Okay, but this is only a nutshell quick video where I wanted to discuss all the clauses for somebody who is going for an interview, for somebody who wants to have a quick walkthrough. This is the video for you. Okay, then you have clause 6, where you talk about planning. Here you have action to address risks and opportunities, and you have information security objectives that you cover under planning. What all KPIs you want to measure, what all information security objectives you have to measure will come under planning. Okay, then you have clause 7 under support. Support, you have to make sure that you have proper resources for ISMS implementation. They should have proper competency. If they do not have, then ISMS implementation might not work. Then you have to make sure that users are aware, all the stakeholders are aware about the ISMS implementation. There are proper communication channels in place, and all the information is documented. Okay, then you have clause 8, which is operations, which talks about operational planning and control. It talks about information security risk assessment and information security risk treatment. Okay, here you have risk management in place for under operations. And then you have clause 9, which talks about performance evaluation. Here you have to monitor and measure the ISMS that you have created. You conduct an internal audit. You should know how to conduct internal audit. There should be internal audit team here. We should be conducting a periodical internal audit exercise in the organization. There should be management review of the internal audit as well. What are the findings? What are the next steps? Everything has to be documented here. Then you have clause 10, which is improvement, of course. It talks about what are the non-conformities, if any, has been identified, and what are the next steps, what are the corrective actions that have been implemented from the last audit or from the current audit if you are going through an audit exercise, and how to continually improve the ISMS. Okay. So a quick walkthrough of all the clauses. Any clause, if you have not clear, any clause if not understood, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.